Well, it's looking a bit sad out there today. Only 80, 100 amps out. We are well and truly getting into winter. Well, I'm trying to commission the little Inverter BMS down there, but it is not going well. I've been through 3 sets of cables, 2 that I wasn't sure of the cable standard, and I went down to our local electronics store, bought a B-type, and I've plugged it in, and lo and behold, it's not working. So, was hoping to make a video of that, but it looks like I'm going to be making a video troubleshooting it instead. So let's rip into it. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the guys who are commenting. Let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with this thing. So what I've got here is an RS485 adapter. It should come with a little block. Where did I put the little block? Must be at my desk. We've got this RS485 adapter. I don't know if you're supposed to use an A-type or a B-type cable for the pinouts to go into the RS485 port there, but we're going to hack this off at one end and connect it to the RS485 adapter, and we're going to try and do the firmware update. I have been really struggling to find the JK BMS inverter firmware. I'm led to believe it's on Andy's website, but really fucking struggling to find it. I don't know what the hell's going on. So I'm going to go and track that down real quick and find that little block, and I'll get my wire cutters and we'll make a cable and we'll go through the process of doing the firmware update. Alright, got myself a coffee because it's in the morning, it's way too early for a beer. If you're lucky enough to have a pair of crimpers like this, that little round hole there can be used to take the insulation back and just expose the wires. Now, I've never actually watched a video of anybody doing this, so I'm just going to, I work in technology, I'm just going to guess my way through it and hope for the best. It can't be that hard, right? It's just got to be a fucking standard process. So, I don't know which wires it is. I think from memory it's orange and white, but is it orange and white if it's a B cable or an A cable? Or are they in the same spot? I think they're in the same spot regardless. So, we'll go with the orange and white. I'm just not sure if we're going to connect the ground. I don't think so. Like, as long as the two devices are pulling from the same power source, it should be okay. But the problem with these ones that you get from JK is that they've got extra terminals on them. So I'm pretty sure you just go TR positive, an RX positive, and the ground, and then you're off and racing. But I don't know which ground. I don't know which one of these pins in this wire is going to be the ground. So I could have watched somebody else's video first, but I'd find it to be way more fun if you just go through and learn this shit yourself. So I'm going to trim one end of this back now, have a guess at which one of these pins it should be. I'm sure it's just the TR positive and RX positive, I think. We'll find out. Alright, so I've got to use the T/R negative and the T/R positive with just the orange and the whites, but I'm not going to cut these other ones off. I did go and watch a bloke's videos, South African fella. I'm not going to cut the wires off because I can use this cable for other things later. Pretty common to use Ethernet cable for various communication buses, like even the CAN bus, for example, is using Ethernet cable. So I'm going to untwist these two and hazard a guess at the TR and the TR positive. Plug it in and see what we get. Alright, so that's what we ended up with. I did connect the ground. I know some of the guys say that you don't have to. I did connect it. I was having some communications issues without it connected. I think because I don't know what it is. I'd be speculating, so let's not waffle on. The RS485 port you're looking for is the one on the left, second from the left, not the one next to the CAN. Not sure what the significance of that is, but let's have a look what we get now. You know what I should do? People have complained about it. I will start the screen recorder. Okay, let's have a look. JK, there we go. Sure, that works. Okay. Let's go. QT, alright, so they're using Linux rendering environment. JK BMS monitor. Look at that. Easy as. Alright. So we should be ready to connect now. Just hit connect. Look at that. What are we at? Ooh, hey, what's going on there? Is it me knocking the cord? Whatever. That's okay. We seem to be alright for the minute. This thing was having some problems. What does it think? It's only got 34. Why does it think it's only got 34 amp hours of capacity? It's a bit weird. Did I not reset? Oh shit, I didn't reset it. Can you reset it for me? Let's have a look. Maybe you do it in settings. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Oh, got to verify the password. Alright, I'll blur that out. Okay, modify password, here we go. Battery capacity, there it is. So we're going to go 200 amp hours. Send. Ooh, data logic is invalid. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, I guess I'll do that from the app. I'm not impressed that that's the case. What we do need to do is the firmware update. So I've never done this, so I don't even know where the hell you do it from. Upload firmware. Here's the thing, right? They've got protection on this against you uploading the incorrect firmware, but you can figure out what firmware you've got and what major hardware version you've got from the app. Alright, so that's really inconvenient. You tap in the corner, you go to About, and then you'll see the vendor ID, the serial number, the hardware version, the software version. So mine's quite old. I'm hoping that that's all this is, because yeah, pain if it's not. And then we go to the app. Now, what do we want here? We want the latest one, I suppose. Get my little camera running again. Alright, so we've got the most recent one I can get. Start updating. There we go. I wonder if the Victron integration will start working straight away, or there might be another problem here that we're not aware of yet. I've definitely got a B spec cable this time. I checked it in the shop before I bought it. Guys in the shop were basically useless, so they didn't even realise there was two different specs for Ethernet cables. But that's the thing now. It's all it's customer. Oh, there we go. Upload complete. It's all about customer service now than anything else, isn't it? All right, where are we at? Is that an alarm? That is an alarm. What have we got here? We'll jump to the phone, guys, real quick. Start the screen recorder again. Is that error gone away? It has not. So, what's going on here? Yeah, we're on the right one. Get rid of that for a sec. I can't see any errors, so why have we got an error light? Let's have a look. Have I got the... Alright, let me go and fire up the old... where was it? It was at 10.100.1.240.249. That's still not there. That's a bugger. Well, we've got the firmware update done. Unfortunately, it hasn't fixed the fucking problem that I'm having. So, let's try and... I was hoping it had. Let's change the... what are we at? What's the CAN protocol set to? CAN protocol is set to 4, which is where we expect it. Victron. Interesting. Let's change the size of that battery because it's still at 40 amp hours, which is wrong. Sending failed. What the hell's going on? Do I need to reconnect to this thing because it's firmware's changed? Connect to one of the other shelves and come back to it maybe. Oh, for the love of God. Why can't I remember the password? It's on a trusted device after all. That received. Now that took the setting this time. So let's just reset the CAN protocol again. I'm going to set it to Pylon-Tech, which should work anyway, right? If it's Pylon-Tech's compatible with Victron as well. So and then Victron CAN bus again, type 4. We're not seeing it still. So I've got a question now. Have I actually got the right cable, or is it still the wrong cable? I'm not sure, but that's all right. We came here to upgrade the JK Inverter BMS software, and that has worked. So we're looking good. Actually, let's confirm that in the app. Yeah, 15.39. So we're all good. Oh, that's a bit of a pain in the rectum. It's still saying the current is still, the capacity is still 40 amps. No, it's 200 now. Just took a little second to update. There it goes. Are we charging? We're charging at 9 amps. Let's see if that cell 13 was the one that was going out of whack last time. I wonder if that's still going to happen. No, we'll let it go. Alright, I'm going to stop there because all I wanted to do this time was do the JK Inverter BMS update. That's done, and then I've got to circle back to trying to figure out why it's not speaking to my to the bloody servo controller. I'll tackle that in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys. What I'm going to do is, it's a nightmare to actually find this information online, and you've got to watch people's videos. So I'm going to create a tutorial page and just do it step by step through the tutorial page, because yeah, I mean, sometimes it's not convenient to have a video open and watch a person, you know, doing it on video. Sometimes you just want some written documentation. You can leave it with your text then, and you might be using these batteries like I do with a lot of communications trailers, and we have a wiki page where people would go to and they'd just get the wiki information. So I'm going to do that because yeah, I find it infuriating to have to watch videos. So anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.